Hello, my name is Nicola and I'm a home manager at Stanely Park Care Home in Paisley. In 2020 I did the Queen's Nurse Development Programme, which is a programme created for 20 nurses, community nurses or leaders. It can be a midwife or a health visitor, but 20 clinicians within Scotland who get accepted to do this course a year. Yep, so I initially enrolled for the course really for my own development. I was a deputy manager at the time in another care home, and I thought for me it was really important. I wanted to develop my career and sort of move forward within a management role, but I realised very quickly that being a manager and being a leader are two very different things. And in order to be a good manager, yes, you have to have certain things that you do on a day-to-day basis. You've got high standards to maintain, and that's the job, and that's absolutely fine. But you also have to lead a team, and to be able to lead that team you have to have the required skills. So the Queen's Nurse Programme really allows you to develop your own leadership skills by bringing other people with you, managing your own tenacity and resilience, making sure that you reflect with humility, and just really being a good listener for people in order that you can then develop those people and not just basically be a manager trying to do everything, which is very easy to do, that you want to take control of everything and be the one to fix everything, but actually you need to be able to lead and develop people. So for me it was a personal thing in order to make me a better leader, and then in turn hopefully a good manager. So for me, back in 2020, before I joined the course, I was quite quiet. Since then, within the 9 months of actually doing the course, I learned a lot of skills. I learned a lot about finding my own confidence and enabling myself to sort of flourish and finding my voice and being able to ask the questions that needed to be asked and break down the barriers I felt needed broken down. And by the end of the 9-month course, I had actually applied for the home manager's post within Stanely Park, which is why I'm here, which is fantastic, because prior to the course it's not something I felt I was ready to do. So the course really helped develop me as a person and as a leader, and I feel that I've been able to use the skills and the sort of techniques shown within that course in order to establish myself within Pacific Care as a manager.